Today, we are diving into powerful English phrases that will take your English vocabulary to the next level. You can use these expressions in daily conversation, workplaces, or even in IELTS exam. So, whether you are learning English for personal or professional growth, this video is for you. Let's look into it. Phrase number one is call the shots, to be in charge or make decisions. As the team leader, she calls the shot on all the major projects. My parents still call the shots when it comes to family vacations. Number two is pull the plug. To stop something, usually a project or an activity. The company pulled the plug on the outdated product line. If this event didn't get enough funding, they might pull the plug. Number three is cut to the chase, to come to the point without unnecessary details. We don't have enough time, so let's cut to the chase. He cut to the chase and told us the real reason for the meeting. Number four is raise the bar, to set a higher standard. This year's competition has really raised the bar. The new policy has raised the bar for workplace efficiency. Number five is throw in the towel, to give up or quit. After multiple failures, he finally threw in the towel. I wanted to throw in the towel, but my friends encouraged me to keep going. Number six is bite off more than you chew, to take on more work than you can handle. I bit off more than I could chew when I agreed to multiple projects. Don't bite off more than you can chew. Focus on one task at a time. Number seven is come up short, to fail to meet the expectations. We raised a lot of money, but we still came up short for our target. Despite all his efforts, he still came up short in the final round. Number eight is the pros outweigh the cons. It means that the advantages are greater than the disadvantages. When buying a new house, make sure that the pros outweigh the cons. I wasn't sure about taking the job, but the pros outweigh the cons. Number nine is put something on the back burner, to delay something. We had to put the vacations on the back burner because of financial issues. Let's put this discussion on the back burner and focus on the main issue. Number 10 is jump the gun, to do something too soon or before the right time. He jumped the gun by announcing the project before getting approval. The athlete jumped the gun and started running before the whistle blew. Number 11 is circle back to something, to return to the topic or discussion later. Let's circle back to this point after we finish the budget discussion. I don't have an answer right now, but I will circle back to you by the end of the day. Number 12 is put two and two together, to figure out something by connecting pieces of information. The detective didn't have direct evidence, but he put two and two together and solved the case. When she suddenly quit her job and moved abroad, people put two and two together and assumed that she had found a better opportunity. Number 13 is to make a headway, to make progress in something that is very difficult. Despite the challenges, the team is making headway on the project. After months of practice, I am finally making headway in learning Spanish. Number 14 is in the light of, because of certain situation or fact. In the light of recent events, the company decided to change its policy. In the light of your hard work, we decided to give you a promotion. Number 15 is in a nutshell, in summary or in few words. The meeting was too long, but in a nutshell, we need to increase our sales. In a nutshell, the new policy means longer work hours but better pay. So, my lovely students, which of these expressions you like the most? Tell me in the comments. See you in the next video.